In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format body text in Polotno and download your design. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean text layout, adjust spacing so it looks professional, and export your design as an image you can share anywhere. Start on your PC by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, go to www.polotno.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface and click My Designs, then choose Create a New Design. This opens a fresh canvas where you can build your layout without distractions. To add text, head to the left-hand sidebar and click Text. From there, select Create Body Text. Body text is ideal for paragraphs or longer descriptions because it's designed to flow and wrap naturally, which keeps everything neat as you resize. A text box will appear on your canvas. Click on the text box to select it, then start typing your content. If there's placeholder text, simply highlight it and replace it with your own. To control how much space your text takes up, hover over the text box and drag any of the corner handles to resize it. As you change the box's width or height, your text will automatically wrap to fit inside, which is perfect for shaping columns or fitting text around other design elements. If your layout feels cramped or too airy, you can tune it further without retyping anything. With the text box still selected, look at the top toolbar and click Spacing. This panel lets you adjust the visual rhythm of your text. Increase line spacing if your paragraphs feel tight, or reduce it to bring lines closer together. You can also fine-tune letter spacing to open up or tighten the text for readability, and adjust paragraph spacing to control the space before or after each block of text. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in how polished your design looks. When you're happy with the layout, move to the top right and click Download. You'll be prompted to choose a file format. PNG is great if you want crisper edges and higher quality, while JPG is typically smaller in file size and works well for general sharing. Choose the one that fits your needs, then click Download again to start the export. Your file will be saved to your computer, ready for posting, printing, or sending. That's it. You opened a design, added body text, resized it with automatic wrapping, adjusted spacing, and downloaded your image. If you need to tweak anything later, just click on the text box to select it and make your changes.